Guys, so welcome to our vlog. And today guys, another day, another vlog. And today guys, we're dealing with a ganglion cyst. And yan guys, yung ganglion cyst is like an outpouching guys, brought about by the exit of this fluid from the joint. And ito guys is a case of a previous operation pero nag-recur po siya. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is just temporary. We're gonna aspirate it. Okay. Guys, we prepared a 1cc lidocaine, and Elsie here is gonna prepare the aspiration guys. What's the gauge of the needle?
I think it's gauge 19.
You think? You read?
Yeah, gauge 19. No, I did not read. I just know it.
And guys, si John yung patient natin guys ha. Alright, okay. Ayan guys, piniprep na natin ng betadine. And John, ready ka na? Sige, inject na tayo guys. Inject na tayo. Inject konti, sakit konti. Yan lang guys, superficial lang. Yan guys, mag-aspirate na tayo. So let's do it at the point of maximal guys, swelling no. Kasi nandun yung guys. Alright. So perpendicular lang guys. Yan. May kunting give. Lumalabas. It's like a jelly guys. Kasi that's like a lubricating oil sa joint natin. Ayan guys. Alright. So ganun siya guys. Ganyan yung consistency niya. Alright. So kung titingnan nyo, nag-flat na yung guys. Alright. Ayan. Okay na. So ayan guys. Ito yung oil na nakuha natin guys. No? Para siyang jelly guys. Para siyang pwede na to pangpahid sa pangpahid sa mukha natin. Para lalo kang bababata. A secret to youth.
Collagen.
Collagen. Ayan. Alright. Sige. Let's put a band-aid. Alright guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.